Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Question was posed, do we vent our range and our convection microwave out of the unit? The answer is a simple yes. It's not really publicized. We don't really talk about it that much, but it's a very important feature that you will see more on the high-end units. Not everybody takes the time to cut and vent appliances like this. So when you get a luxury fifth wheel, this is what you can expect. All of our convection microwaves are vented with, and they have a fan that also vents to that vent in the outside. Just a second, we'll take a look. So you're not filling any fumes when you're doing your cooking. These are residential style built luxury fifth wheels. So we're going to treat it just like you would in your own home. They're meant for cooking. They're meant for full-time living. They're meant for doing everything you would do in a home. Everything is treated the same. So let's go outside and take a look. Just to give you some peace of mind, knowing that, yes, they are vented. So when you're looking at our units, this vent right here is the vent to the convection microwave. Now, when you get a 39 FB, it is vented out of the roof because we've got the range in the center. Also, the microwave will be vented outside the wall. So you've got all your vents covered. Any kind of fumes and anything are being vented out. So there you go. Give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.